Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the backup drive or joining the backup network share. Do it now. Once connected, make sure the new Mac runs a Mac OS version that supports the backup. Compatibility prevents failures. Plug in power and verify free disk space because transfers halt without room. Open Migration Assistant in Utilities, choose Transfer from a Time Machine backup, and follow the prompts. This step kicks off the authentication and catalog read, so wait while the backup list appears. Do not interrupt the disk activity. You now pick the exact backup snapshot you need. Select by date and time because older snapshots restore older settings and you want the right state. Next, inspect the listed user accounts, applications, and system settings. Uncheck anything you don't need to avoid clutter. Then choose what to transfer: users, apps, settings, and other files. Once you start, Migration Assistant verifies and copies items. This is the intensive phase, so keep the Mac awake, attached to power, and avoid heavy network use to reduce time and errors. Once the transfer completes, restart the Mac and log into the restored account to validate files, apps, and preferences. This confirms the how and why of a successful migration. If an app asks to reactivate, complete license steps. If files are missing, rerun Migration Assistant or manually copy from the backup in Finder. Make sure to run Disk Utility First Aid if permissions or file errors appear. If the restore fails, check Mac OS compatibility and the integrity of the Time Machine drive before
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.